Hello everyone, I'm Melody Kramer and I am the author of the new book, Lawyers Decoded, Essential Knowledge for Saving Money and Reducing Legal Hassles. Now, why do you want this book? Well, let me give you a little idea of what's inside of this book. Have you noticed that sometimes it's difficult to get along with people that you don't know or you don't understand? And yet then you have a conversation with them and you find out where they grew up, where they were educated, what their day-to-day life is like. And suddenly you feel more of a connection. You may not necessarily like them and certainly may not have them as your next best friend, but you can deal with them easily and you're able to form relationships, business relationships in a lot better fashion. Well, I wanted to do that with lawyers and their clients because lawyers come off as, well, kind of a lot of bad things sometimes. Greedy, elitist. I'm sure you have a lot of your own adjectives. This book actually gives you an inside scoop on what it's like to choose to be a lawyer, to get into law school, what law school is like, and what day-to-day lawyering is like. And that is interspersed with tips on how to use that information to benefit you when you're dealing with lawyers. So as you go through the book, there are helpful hacks, I call them, that give you ideas of what to do in certain circumstances, information to ask from your lawyer, and similar things like that. Over and over again, people have told me that they have used advice from this book to help reduce money from their legal bills. They've even changed their interaction with me to reduce their own legal bills to my law firm. They think I'd mind that I'm losing money, but I really don't, because happy clients refer me all the time to their friends, and I make up the difference. I think that's a better way to run a law practice. Meanwhile, Lawyers Decoded is an easy read, a lot of fun stories in here, some really exciting stuff near the back about a case that I handled of someone that had been accused of a horrible crime and turns out was not guilty. So pick up your copy on Amazon.com. Thank you.